I chose the following passage to analyze from In the Time of the Butterflies by Julia Alvarez, and it goes like this. I don't know who talked Papa into sending us away to school. Seems like it would have taken the same angel who announced to Mary that she was pregnant with God and got her to be glad about it. The four of us had to ask permission for everything. To walk to the fields to see the tobacco filling out, to go to the lagoon and dip our feet on a hot day, to stand in front of the store and pet the horses as the men loaded up their wagons with supplies. Sometimes watching the rabbits in their pens, I'd think, I'm no different from you, poor things. One time, I opened a cage to set a half-grown doe free. I even gave her a slap to get her going, but she wouldn't budge. She was used to her little pen. I kept slapping her, harder each time, until she started whimpering like a scared child. I was the one hurting her, insisting she be free. Silly bunny, I thought, you're nothing at all like me. So in this second sentence, this is an allusion referring to the Virgin Mary and the birth of Jesus. And it also shows how hard it was to convince Papa to let them to go away for school. In these next couple sentences, the syntax is very long with colons and commas separating Minerva's ideas, and this represents how exhausting and unnecessary it was to ask their father for permission to do anything. In the rest of the passage here, she talks about how she would go and look at the bunnies and let them out sometimes. And the characters throughout the novel often describe feelings of being trapped in a cage by the oppressive Trujillo regime, and the caged rabbits in this passage represent this feeling. Minerva explains how she tries to set a rabbit free. This further symbolizes the Dominican people under the regime. And because they've come to accept their cage, or in this case, the dictatorship, the people aren't willing to free themselves and risk the unknown.